iPhone 12 in purple hands-on. Should you buy it or wait for iPhone 13? CNET. Ontario man speaks out after father has severe stroke from rare blood clot following AstraZeneca vaccine, CBC.ca. Apple announces COVID-19 vaccination for employees at offices, Republic TV. Realme 8 5G shows us the real cost of 5G, Android police. PM Justin Trudeau gets vaccinated with AstraZeneca, Vancouver Sun. PM Justin Trudeau gets vaccinated with AstraZeneca, Vancouver Sun. Long list of potential COVID exposure locations, halifaxtoday.ca. The latest numbers on COVID-19 in Canada for Friday, April 23, 2021. Toronto Star. Asus Zenfone 8 will become official on May 12, promised to be compact in size. GSMarena.com news. GSMarena.com. Vancouver car dealership shuttered amid COVID-19 outbreak. Global news. Garmin Venue 2 smartwatches are available now with advanced new features and more. XDA developer.